you're a tip-top shape, so that overflows to the rest of your people. You get more freedom, more command versus control, and you are really truly leading a business, not a job. Obviously, you're going to start having smoother operations. Your team's going to love you. They're going to be more empowered. Nobody's going to just constantly be coming to you. Hey, help me, 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 help me with clients, team, whatever. You're going to have these documented systems that the majority of people go to first. And then they come to you only when absolutely needed. So you're free to conquer the world.